Greg, he was crazy to start his own business. He won't have our resources. He won't have our computers.
Morning, Eddie.
Hey, you been busy?
Sure, it's a lot of space for one guy. He says he's planning to grow.
This boy's bothering you, pal? No problem, thanks.
He won't have our graphics department. He won't have our...
He won't have our bureaucracy. I heard Greg Clancy went independent. I wish I had his guts.
I'm having lots of fun. Ain't no hide gun. I'm the boss man.
This proposal is impressive.
Who are these guys, anyway?
Greg's a creative guy. Clancy's just a bean counter.
I'm the CEO.
Macintosh has the power to make you independent. The power to be your best.
How come you got so much space?
I'm an optimist.